Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a gift card on Temu. Whether you received one or bought it yourself, we will walk you through the steps to redeem and use it for your orders. On your Temu dashboard, let's say we want to place an order. Let's go to the checkout. Once you have selected your item, just click on the item you want to check out. Before checking out, make sure to choose the card you want to use for payment. Enter the card number and your credit card details. To add a gift card, simply enter the gift card code. For example, you can use a sample code like GC123. Once we apply the code, the gift card will be added to this item. And that's how we add a gift card on Temu. With just a few simple steps, we can apply our balance and enjoy shopping.